All right, guys, I want to tell you something here because you know I've been a Sebastian, Florida resident for many years. But I got some gentlemen here that have some great classic car shows, classic cars on show here, and I want to meet the guys. Hello, people, folks. Tell me your name.
My name's Lee.
Lee.
Hank.
Sorry?
Hank.
Hank.
Terry.
Terry.
Gary McDonald.
Say again?
Gary McDonald.
Gary McDonald. And
Peter.
say again?
Peter.
Peter. I'm sorry, I have bad hearing. So, my friends here, you know, years ago in Sebastian, Florida here, we used to have a classic car show. And gentlemen like this would have the most awesome cars that would show up here, and man, I bet you guys know every bolt and nut in these engines, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And there's a lot of people here that have classic cars, but a lot of money, a lot of bolts. And we're over here, so there is Shark Mart, there is Sunoco, and here is Burger King. Now, I want you guys to know something. If you have a classic car, because I drive by you guys all the time in your garages, you're working class cars, where are the cars? Because you can see here, these guys know what they're doing, and they want to gab about other people that have a lot of stuff like this. So,
Yeah.
What's that?
They're in garages with stuff piled on
everywhere in
them.
Sebastian.
Exactly.
You never see them on the road.
Yeah, you never see them on the road. Guys, we got to get cars out here. Again,
They
this
need
is,
to be driven, yeah.
yeah, need to be driven. I mean, what happens?
That thing, the Daytona and everything, the Chevy on the other side of
Yeah,
the 57, yeah.
So what's the biggest meeting that you guys have been to?
Dunkin' Donuts every third Saturday morning.
Okay, let's take it one up notch. You said Daytona. What's the biggest thing outside?
Dunkin' Donuts up in Melbourne.
Melbourne. Dunkin' Donuts in Melbourne.
Saturday every month.
I'm trying to.
On beachside. On beachside.
On the A1A.
Okay, A1A
192.
at 192 out to the beach.
Yeah, we just go down, make a left at 192, go north about a block.
That's over by it used to be Mustard's Last Stand, the hot dog place.
Probably.
Isn't that 192?
Long Doggers is down.
Yeah, Long Doggers. That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
that's a lot. You get there, you got to go just a little bit more, a quarter mile down. On
Right. How many people show up to that?
300 cars.
300 cars.
Mostly 200. But last month we had 300 cars.
Wow. So
That's the third Saturday of every month.
So what can you guys tell me that is the most interesting thing anybody on YouTube can hear from you guys about your passion for classic cars?
Oh, we drive everywhere, go to car shows, we do functions for kids, whatever they need us to do, you know. Like we'll go to the old folks' homes up in Melbourne and do shows for them.
That's all.
And, you know, we do all kinds of shows. A lot of stuff up in Melbourne. Sunday we're going to go to Ford's Garage up in
Ford?
West Melbourne.
So they have a Ford's Garage in Fort Lauderdale as well. I've been there.
They just opened one up here on 193, exit 193.
Exit 193 Ford's Garage.
Sunday morning,
Sunday morning? All right.
yeah.
And what's the
And you could go to Sebastian Muscle Cars, and you can find a lot of shows on there.
Sebastian Muscle Cars on Facebook?
That's a website, yeah. They have a radio talk show on there that talks about the show.
All right. Well, so my friends here, they put a lot of effort into this. There's a lot of interest in this, but we got to get some more people together because I see them all the time. And let me ask you, what's your favorite car of all?
Oh, probably 67 Malibu.
67 Malibu. How about you, my friend?
Right here, 55 Chevy.
Right here, 55 Chevy Bel Air right there. And you rebuilt that from scratch? Yeah. Mostly, yeah? Let me take a look in here. I mean, that is some really, really nice stuff right here.
This one is all this is all original.
What we got here? 66 Le Mans.
Original interior, original engine.
Man, look at the chrome on those valve covers. Wow, man. That is awesome. You know what's great in these? You could sit in there and eat lunch and work on these things. Not like today's cars, you know what I mean?
You gotta have them on a lift.
How long have you had this car?
9 years.
9 years. How many F words have come out rebuilding this thing? Any? Look at that.
Original interior.
Original interior.
I built the console. There was no console there. I built that.
Wow, look at that, huh? That is nice, man.
I'm down here 6 months, and I'm up north 6 months. I have another car up north.
Oh yeah? What do you got up north?
68 Fairlane 500 convertible.
Fairlane. Those are fast, aren't they?
Yeah.
I remember somebody had one years ago. It was a Ford, right?
Yep.
Ford Fairlane?
Yep.
And it was black and had red stripes, 2 red stripes, and that thing used to go up and down 512 in the US one. That thing was nasty.
Yeah.
Big old fat Mickey Thompsons on the back, whatever you call them. Yeah, Ford Fairlane. Cool, man. Cool. Look at the old Ford. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. Let me see. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, I'll show you. I got one more picture of it. With the top up.
Look at that, huh? Wow. That's nice, man. That's nice. You know, I wish more people would come hang out with you guys. I know they're out there, like you said, you know?
We have a lot more people. They show up tonight. We've got it.
Yeah.
I've got a bunch of guys that come. A few more guys. One guy's building a camper to go on his trip.
Building the what?
Camper. He got to put a camper on the back of his truck, and he had to refurbish the old side.
Yeah.
He's doing that. Hey,
Cool.
Harry. He's like, comes up here with deep bucket.
Well, I appreciate you guys coming up here and keep it. What's it? Yes, sir.
Drive them old cars. Get them out of the garage.
You see, you heard it right here. Get him out. There's actually one on my street. He's rebuilding it.
What is it?
I don't know. It's
57 Chevy.
no. It's kind of like that. I mean, I'm not really good on the
How old
old.
is that in the 30s, 40s? This is 30.
I know it's got the great big
Running board.
grill in the front. That's kind of like
You
the.
gotta learn about cars.
Oh, I gotta learn it. Yeah, man.
Be a YouTuber about cars.
Yeah. It's kind of like the grill like this, but I've seen that thing come out of the garage, get painted. It disappears for weeks. It comes back. The blocks,
Be having everything done.
the blocks on the ground. The block gets
really?
painted. Oh yeah, and he lives right in here in VLE.
Where do you
But
live at? VLE?
yeah,
I
right
do
over.
too. I live on 101st.
I'm on 96th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I mean,
Are you off 87th?
83rd to 96th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you live by a guy, Tom, that has a bunch of cars. He was just here with an old truck.
You know, there was somebody years
Ford
ago.
Chevy.
Somebody years ago was on 101st when you're going down right before the stop sign on the right.
That's Al.
And he had a
yellow.
big shed thing, and he had the gate in the front, and he used to sit out there every day.
That's Al.
Yeah?
He's got the yellow.
Yellow,
34
yes,
Dodge.
yes, that was a
And
long
he's got
time.
A 34 Dodge pickup Dodge.
Yeah.
He
Does
comes
he?
Here, yeah, I just went by his house. I go by him at my house.
Yeah.
I'm 4 houses down from him on the other side.
Okay, there's
I got a
somebody
big
across the street with a big garage.
That's me.
Okay, well, I
Yeah.
passed you
And
too.
There's a guy on the corner with a 64 Ford Galaxy. It's up on jack stands now. It's got a 5.0 in it with a 6-speed. I guess it's gonna have to transmission or something. By John's his name.
Yeah.
And I just went by his house. He's working on it.
That's a trigger car.
Yeah. That's that old Galaxy. That's it. Yeah. A Pete across the street from Al. It's got that pink car with the black roof. It's a 34 Plymouth.
Yeah, across the street from the yellow. Across the yeah. I mean, they've been there for
Building a house
years.
next to him now.
They've been there for years, though.
Yeah.
So, last question, and I'll let you guys go, and I'll give you a card. I'll put it on YouTube and Facebook. What is the biggest argument? Like, let's say I showed up here, and what do you not do? I got to know. Like,
Electric cars. I would crush them all.
EV cars, right? Yeah, nothing electric here. All carbureted, right?
The old gasoline cars.
Yeah. Now, I know there's some things you don't say to guys like you that have these, and I'm just
No, we
curious.
don't care what brand you got, you know. As long
Could
as
be a
it's
Chevy, could be a Dodge.
Yeah.
As
No,
long
we
as
have-
no.
we got the guy just left has a Dodge Dart 340 in it.
Yeah.
And a GTX.
As long as it's not electric.
Yeah.
No electric.
Bring beer.
Yeah, bring beer. Guys, it's been a pleasure meeting y'all.
Oh,
And
thank you for the video.
I've been here. I'm gonna get you a car. I've been here since '92 in Sebastian.
Wow.
So before Checkers was even built, but I
Yeah,
mean,
well, this is a 2-lane road, huh?
yeah. When you went down
You
there.
remember when where the Cumberland Farms was a little store with a bar in it? There used to be a guy that sat in there all the time drinking.
Where TJ's is, where the new Cumberland Farms is?
Yeah.
Yeah. It used to be just one strip mall.
Yeah, and there was a little place on the corner with a bar in it, a tackle store or something.
Never went there.
Never went there.
Never went. I was younger then.
I saw a story on Facebook about it.
Wow.
Younger than.
And my brother told me something about it. He lived here 40 years now.
Yeah, I am. I'm 41, so I moved up here in '92. So I'd have to subtract, but gentlemen, thank you very much. Hey, come see some.
We're doing a video.
Yeah, come see some great cars here and meet some great people here in Sebastian, Florida.